Hey guys, for this video, we are going into the heart of Slab City with John Gallagher and Nerp, who are working together to reopen Deborah's booth.
Yeah, we're trying to clean it up, punch some art out. The original owner ended up passing last year, so we're trying to keep it going in her honor.
This will be the first time that the booth has been open since Deborah passed away earlier this year.
So we wanted to keep it going because like we felt it wasn't right if we just let it go to the wayside.
John Gallagher is leading the way with a small group of people who have been restoring the booth and restocking it with artwork.
One of my favorite.
I did one of my favorite musicians too.
Did that one 2 years ago.
Last year.
Nadia, Abija.
I just tend to. There's like a little shuffle horror type theme. It's yeah, no, it's like one of the plants, and it's just like I kind of like wanted it to look more like a hydra. And so it's like it's considered one plant, but like there's multiple heads and that. And fucking like that fucking took me maybe a couple weeks, few weeks maybe 3. Well, it's a mushroom on the moon, watching the sunrise from sunrise on planet Earth.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's been in storage, so it's like a little dirty right now. But there's a little bit more vibrant colors than when I originally painted it. No matter how hard she paints on the painting, it just still comes out blank. But then she doesn't realize that like the painting's all around her.
Like April. I guess it's weathered pretty good. Oh.
Hey Nerp, I see you guys working hard here. Can you tell me what's going on?
Just setting up the booth for season.
All right.
Yeah, we're trying to clean it up, punch some art out. The original owner ended up passing last year, so we're trying to keep it going in her honor. Oh, she come out. She was out here every day, right? Like in.
She hated when it was windy.
yeah. So we come out during the wind, but yeah, every day she'd be out here making art, selling it to tourists, to other slabbers, and what?
A lot of magnets used to sell.
You're talking about Deborah.
Yeah, Deborah. Yeah, Deborah.
And then what happened after she passed?
Oh, everything. Her son came by and kind of just gave everything to us, and so we wanted to keep it going because like we felt it wasn't right if we just let it go to the wayside. Come on out, say hi.
Where are you located?
We're located on just after 750 Beale, right across the street from the range.
Right across from the range?
Right across from the Marine Corps sound here. soft opening right now.
Yeah, soft opening right now. Yeah, fucking. Everybody can see us out here.
All right, so what do you have for
Say
sale?
hi, and if you don't see us out here, there's a bell you can ring, and someone will. Oh, the bell's all right up front, right there. In front of that chair.
Oh.
Well, we got some paintings here. I don't have currently any of my paintings up, but these ones were done by John.
And this is from Becky's stuff.
Yeah.
Becky
There's
got
more
it.
Becky stuff down there too.
And I got a bunch of Brian's. I don't know what to do with them.
That's awesome.
These are all three of these are yours, right, John?
Yes. The eye of the king. As are these here.
Oh, great job, John.
Got a little sunglass and just an effect.
Who made that?
Me?
Oh, nice.
That's one of mine. I did a small series of octopus paintings last year, year before. Abia, Abija.
What you got there?
Oh, this one's been hanging up since like April. I guess it's weathered pretty good. I had like 5 rainstorms. Peter was looking all kinds of props and gimmicks to try to draw people out.
Sure is cool
A
looking.
lot of people stop by and look at it, I'll tell you that.
Did you see him building it over a period of time?
No, he never made a documentary on it or anything. He used to be in the camp back there.
Come on out, say hi.
Where are you located?
We're located on just after 750 Beale, right across the street from the range.
Right across from the range?
Right across from the Marine Corps sign here.
All right, cool.
They put up. Go ahead. Potter John did those signs? Yeah. Drew Hippie was there and he got me 2 bottles of nice water. That's when I forgave him. I can't be angry at a man who just saved my life. Even though he couldn't save his own. Something that they can hang up.
Can you turn this one around for me, this big one?
This one. Did that one 2 years ago.
Cool. Can you tell us a little about it?
It's like well, it's a mushroom on the moon, watching the sunrise from sunrise on planet Earth.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's been in storage, so it's like a little dirty right now. But there's a little bit more vibrant colors than when I originally painted it. Probably have to do a bunch of touch-ups on a lot of these. But that one fades a lot of the paint and stuff. This one is just kind of like a, I don't know, I guess abstract, or like, what would you call that one?
That's an abstract.
Yeah, abstract, yeah.
Well, yeah, that was one of your earlier ones, huh?
Yeah,
Here.
no, that's only a year ago. The one I just showed him was older, the fucking moon mushroom.
Yeah, that.
But and like a lot of the colors in the back glow in the dark and shit. Like I said, I gotta clean up a lot of them.
Seems to be the hot thing.
Just so this one like fucking the chick's trying to paint a picture, and she's just like all hella frustrated because no matter how hard she paints on the painting, it just still comes out blank. But then she doesn't realize that like the painting's all around her.
See that one?
That one.
Oh, geez, I don't even remember you
Zach.
showing that one.
There's like a little shop of horror type theme.
What you got there?
Oh, this one's been hanging up since like April. I guess it's weathered pretty good. I had like 5 rainstorms.
Deborah's booth in the heart of Slab City has been restored, reopened, and restocked with new artwork. They're located on 750 Beale Road. Please stop by, leave a donation, purchase some art. They would greatly appreciate it.
What's that? Yeah, I think the pink one's all glow in the dark. And then some of the purple is too. I just tend to fucking paint things that interest me sometimes.
What inspired this piece?
I don't know. Fucking candy and fucking skulls, I guess.
One, can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Oh, it's just it's supposed to be like a fucking it's yeah, no, it's like one of the plants, and it's just like I kind of like wanted it to look more like a hydra, and so it's like it's considered one plant, but like there's multiple heads and that. It's fucking. I think this one's already spoken for. I just haven't been able to give it to the person yet.
Cool. Yeah.
Yes. Hiding in the corner. I always hide.
There's a lot of people on stage yesterday.
It was.
I turned around, I was like, damn, dude. This is crazy. That's a good time.
At least it wasn't 4 harmonicas. Something in the air makes that nose run like a hose.
What kind of hose?
It's heavy. You can really smash up to the
Help
foot.
me, little baby.
Get off it, get off it, get off it.
Thank you. Yeah, that's one of everything. Like that fucking took me maybe a couple weeks, few weeks maybe, 3.
Cool.
I mean, I try to have a place that's conducive to creativity.
Nerf's one of the people that I've seen progress the most with his art and stuff. Like how many things
Yeah, he didn't paint it all till he painted on that.
Well, I honestly, he really didn't even show any kind of artistic outlet or anything. I don't know until like a couple years ago.
He started on
He got
Hogwarts.
Kitty, then he got Kitty, and he started doing art and other shit. Even his outfits he put together are pretty slick right there. Quite artistically put together. One of my favorite artists, Nerf.
And one of my favorite musicians too. Because he wears two hats.
Fuck that, I'm my favorite musician.
I said one of my favorites. I didn't say you. See, about 4 years beforehand, when I got into the trailer park, I went for my first nature walk and going into the woods, come along here right by a rock like that, a tree like that. And this is even crazier. There was a baby skunk, a rabid skunk. I seen it come right out and go, and fall over dead.
It fell over dead.
Yeah. Making a weird noise.
That's an interesting story, John.
Well, it's true.
So,
Just like the one about the space shuttle.
Well, I didn't hear that one.
Okay, well,
like